Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your JotForm account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you link or connect your Google Sheets to your JotForm account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Google Sheets to JotForm anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to gather email addresses, and maybe you don't have a CRM yet. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your JotForm account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my JotForm, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and link your Google Sheets to a JotForm, here on the left side, what you're going to do is click on Forms. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of your JotForms that you have. So you can see I just have these two. Now by linking your Google Sheets to JotForm, it's going to be handled on the form level. It's not handled on the account level. So you would want to add Google Sheets to each and every form that you want to log your email addresses for. So once you found the form you want to add it to, just hover over it and it's going to turn purple or blue right here. And then you're going to see these three options. Click on Edit Form. Okay, once you do that, you will see your JotForm. However, in order to link your Google Sheets, you're going to click on Settings here on the top center. Once you do that, you're going to see this menu here on the left, and you want to click on Integrations. It looks like a puzzle piece. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of the various integrations, but you want to go ahead and click on the search bar and just type in Google Sheets. Once you do that, you should see the Google Sheets logo. Just click on there. Okay, once you click on Google Sheets, you're going to see these two options. So if you already have a Google Sheet set up to store data, you can use this one, use existing spreadsheet. However, if you're just setting this up, you can go ahead and create a new spreadsheet to store all of your data, which is what I'm going to do today. After you've chosen, click on the blue next button. Okay, now we do need to authenticate. So basically that's going to give permission for JotForm to send data into your Google Sheets. So click on authenticate. Okay, once you do that, Google's going to open up a sign in screen. So you want to choose the Google account you're going to connect to your JotForm. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this one. Okay, next Google's going to let you know that they're going to share this information with JotForm. If you're okay with that, click on continue. Okay, next Google's going to ask what information you want to share with JotForm. For me, I'm going to go ahead and share everything. So I'm going to click select all and then scroll to the bottom. Okay, once you've done that, click on continue. Okay, so now we can go ahead and create a spreadsheet. So we can name this spreadsheet. So by default, it's already listed the name of the JotForm. You can change that if you want. Okay, next you want to go ahead and choose the data from your JotForm that you want to send to Google Sheets. You can have all of them, which is what I'm going to do, or you can select them one by one. So for example, if I only want to send the email, I can go ahead and choose that. Okay, so once you've entered that in, go ahead and scroll to the bottom and click on save. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now we've created a new spreadsheet. So anytime somebody submits into this particular form, it's going to be added into the spreadsheet. So let me click on this. Okay, so here is my new spreadsheet. So when somebody submits to my JotForm, the information is going to be logged here with their first name, their email, the appointment, their phone number, and then the questionnaire. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Google Sheets to your JotForm, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.